First, we'll find the area A1. A1, I'm going to break it up into two portions. One is from 0 to this point, which is when x is equal to 1/4 pi. Then from 1/4 pi to half pi. So for this area here, it is going to be an integration from 0 to 1/4 pi of this curve. It is sine x. Then integration from 1/4 pi to half pi of this particular curve, and that will be cosine x. So this is going to be integration of sine x is going to be minus cosine x from 0 to 1/4 pi plus integration of cosine x is sine x from 1/4 pi to half pi. So this is going to be minus cosine of 1/4 pi minus cosine of 0 plus this is going to be sine of half pi minus away sine of 1/4 pi. So this is going to be minus 1/2 square root of 2. Minus becomes plus, cosine 0 is 1, so plus 1. Then sine half pi is equal to 1 minus this is half square root of 2. Which means that the area A1 is going to be equal to 2 minus square root of 2. And I'm going to find area A2, and area A2 is this region here. So I'm going to integrate from 0 to 1/4 pi. And I'll take the top curve minus the bottom curve. The top curve is cosine x minus away the bottom curve, and that is sine x. So this is going to be integrating cosine x, it is sine x. Integration of sine x is minus cosine x, so it becomes plus cosine x from 0 to 1/4 pi. And now if I were to sub in the values, it is going to be subbing this in. It is sine of 1/4 pi plus cosine of 1/4 pi minus away subbing this in. It is going to be sine of 0 plus cosine of 0. This is 1/2 square root of 2. This is also 1/2 square root of 2. Minus away sine 0, this is 0. Cosine 0 is 1. So this A2 is going to be square root of 2 minus 1. And what we want to do is to find the ratio of area A1 over A2, which means that it is 2 minus square root of 2 divided by square root of 2 minus 1. And we are supposed to show that this is square root of 2, so let's rationalize this. I'll multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator, so square root of 2 plus 1 divided by square root of 2 plus 1. And for the numerator, if I were to expand this times this, is going to be 2 square root of 2 plus 2, then minus away 2, and this times this is minus square root of 2, divided by the denominator, which is square root of 2 squared minus 1 squared. So in the numerator, this will be cancelled. I'll be left with square root of 2, and the denominator is 2 minus 1. So this is square root of 2, which is what the question wants us to show.